Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to clear run command history or entries in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. So in the search box type run. Now you can see data entries. So how to clear it? In the search box type registry editor. Open registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening that, first of all select a HKey current user and expand it. After that select a software and expand it. After that select a Microsoft and expand it. After that find out a Windows and expand it. Now here is Windows and expand it. After that select a current version and expand it. After doing this that find out a Explorer and expand it. After doing this stat, find out a run MRU. Now here is a run MRU. Now after doing this stat, delete the all indices expect default and MRU list. Now right click and delete it. Open a MRU list and clear it and click on OK. Now after that go back. And after doing this stat restart your computer, and after restarting your computer I'm sure that your problem is fixed. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.